model, 68-plate Vauxhall Movano Master L2h2 F3500 Cdti runs great spares or repairs gearbox. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 244233. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3130 PS Cdti E6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great, the gearbox will need replacing as it has no drive. Easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.